last data structure, which is called strings. So what is a string? A string are basically a bunch of character variable. It is a one dimension array of character. Okay. And this particular string, one or more character enclosed in a pair of matching single or double quote can be considered as a string in R. Either you'll put in a single quote or double quote, it will be considered as a string. So string represent textual content and can contain number, space, special character. An empty string is represented by using, if it doesn't have anything inside it, it is an empty string. How will create the string? A string can be created by assigning character value to a variable. This string can be further concatenated by using various functions and method to form the big string. So yesterday was talking about the somebody is asking about the concatenation and all. So that will be done in a separate object. So as I told you in the last class also. So we have this a string to creating a string, we doesn't require any function here. We just give the string to the variable. Okay, so let's see this example. Here we'll see one function called cat for the concatenation. So let's say we'll create a string with the double quote here. This is string 1 with the double quote, like okay 1 in one quote, and then we have taken cat function. Cat function is a printing function also. It is going to print the value, and it will concatenate the string with another string. In that way, it is going to be printed. So if we'll print this, so in the string, it will go to okay. And when we do the, run the cat function, it will print string 1 is okay 1 in that way. The same thing will happening here also. Now here we have taken a long string. That long string can also be concatenated with this. This is accepted and allowed in R, right? Now here, this is we have taken as a single quote here, all these, and inside that we have used this into the double quote, and the double quote is left over. So this double quote has taken as a character. This double quote inside that it is taken as a string, and in the single quote it is taking in the string as. Now if you run it, it will run perfectly. There is no issue on that. So this has taken as a character. This also has been taken as a character. Now, if we'll talk about this, here we have the single quote hi and comma. This is not allowed here because we have a single quote will not be covered with single quote. Single quote could be covered with double quote. So this will be an issue, exception. Now, if we want to tackle that, we can always use double quotation. Now it is working. Instead, inside the double quote, we have the single quote, and inside the single quote, we have the double quote. So that is possible. Now it is working. So that is allowed. So this is your string. Now related to the string, we have different libraries. So the library we have to import. So let's say in the packages, do we have library package? Sorry, stringer. So a stringer is not there. We can install that. So installing that, we can use a simple command here. It doesn't have to do an install. Instead, we'll use library Okay, and inside that I'll use the library name stringer. This I want for the string. Now this I'll run. Now the string has been taken as a package here. So all the packages which are installed, it is make it as tick mark. Okay, so all those are tick mark. It means that those packages are already been installed here. This is a simple way to put any of the packages inside it. Now let's talk about the different functions which are coming with that particular string package. So the first one is your str underscore length. This is one function we have. It is coming under stringer. See, it's coming under the stringer. Now it is taking the string. Let's say hello is my string, so it will tell me the length of it, right? So the length is 5. So it is taking 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? If I'll put something like this, then it will be definitely 6. The strength length will be 6. This is your strength length. To find the length, we have another function called n. And how many number of character are there? So n cat is one function which can do the same thing. Right? Which can do the same thing and it will give you the length of the string. Then we can find out the substring from the string itself. So let's say we'll use a function called substring, right? This is coming from the base library, substring function. Inside that, let's say I put it hello, and in that, what I want is, okay, hello. This I have written. Hello, this is our program. And in the substring, I have to give the starting and the ending. So let's say I'm starting with first character and I am ending with the first character only. It means that it should print H as the output. It should print H as output. Let's say I'm starting with H and I am going up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means hello should be printed. So for that, I'll use up to 5. So start and end will be, I have to specify here start and end. Let's say I'll put I'll just print it up to here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's say I'll put, if it is printing 15, so it should print hello, this is R. Hello, this is R. Okay. So that is a use of this sub str, as well as we have substring. So two type of functions are there. Substring is also the function which will do the same thing, which what substr is doing. Okay, we have different function called case conversion. We can do it upper as well as lower case. That also we can do. So let's say we have a string. Let's say this will take as a string. Let's say this is my string. Now in this particular string, I am applying some function. Let's say we have two upper function. It will take the S and it will make all as upper. So I'll print S And after that, I'll print that. Okay, so let's say this is my S. This is my S. Hello, this is our program. And once we'll go for the to upper, it will take everything to the uppercase. Okay. The same thing will happen to lower. Right? It will make everything as a lowercase. As well as we have another function which can make it like it will fold. So we have case fold function. This case fold function will take the string, and there is the parameter called upper. If we'll make it true, then it will make all upper. It will make it all upper. If we'll make it false, then definitely it will make it all lower. Right? So these are different functions that can be used. We can also update the string. If you want to update it, we can do that also. So let's say this is my string and I want to update that particular string. So I'll use the function. Let's say substring function. I'll use s there because s is my string. And in a particular location, let's say this is hello, this is. So I'll go into the start with first row and the last column. Let's say from where I'm starting and where I'm ending, let's say, so hello, after that, I want to print something, let's say in the fifth location. So I'll go into the fifth, I'll be in the fifth. And in that particular location, I'll put some character there. Let's say I'm putting some hash character there. Okay. And after that, I'll print the value of s. Let's see how it is happening. Okay, so it is going to h 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fifth it is taken as o, right? Okay, I want that space, so I'll make it like 6, 6. Now, yeah. So you see, after hello, there is a hash I have kept. So I can also insert some character in a specific location. So in a sixth location, I can put from here to here. If I want to put anything, I can do that. So let's say I want to put from this particular location, let's say the seventh location, I want the space to how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So up to 24, I want to put, let's say hello, like Bhubaneswar. Okay, that I want to put. So we have this, right? We have this. Now we have this. So you see, after manipulating this, hello will be treated as this. After hello, this will be hello triple IT Bhubaneswar. Okay, and then M is there, right? Bhubaneswar, and then M is there. Means this M is coming here. So we have to put a space there. Yeah. So this M will not come. So this is all about the string.